In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an offline presentation in Canva. If you're someone who needs to share presentations in places without reliable internet access, this guide is just right for you. Let's dive in. First off, you'll need to visit the Canva website. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to Canva's homepage. If you don't already have a Canva account, you'll need to create one. However, if you've used Canva before, simply log in using your credentials. This will give you access to all your previously saved designs, as well as the tools you need for creating new presentations. Once you're logged in, let's move on to opening a new or existing presentation. Direct yourself to the middle section of the dashboard, where you'll find a range of design templates and options. If you're starting from scratch, or if you know exactly what you're looking for, this is your go-to section. It's where inspiration meets practicality, easing you into the creative process with Canva's suite of design options. Next, let's make use of the search bar. Head over to it and enter presentation in the search field. This is a quick way to filter your options and locate all the presentation templates that Canva has to offer. Whether you want something minimalist or vibrant, you're sure to find a template that suits your needs from Canva's vast selection. After your search results pop up, it's time to make a choice. You can hover over the designs to get a closer look. Once you find a design that catches your eye, it's time for a little trick. You'll need to right-click on the design you want to work with. The simple action will open up a context menu providing various options related to your selected template. Now for the most crucial part of our guide, enabling offline presenting. Canva simplifies this for you. After right-clicking, a menu will appear and you'll want to select the option that says Enable Offline Presenting. Clicking this option does the magic. It prepares and saves your presentation for offline access, ensuring that you can present seamlessly without needing to be connected to the internet. So, there you have it. You've now learned how to make your Canva presentations available offline. This feature is incredibly handy, especially for those scenarios where internet connectivity isn't guaranteed. It makes it simple for you to showcase your work regardless of where you are. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy your new presentation capabilities on Canva.